Next page. Panchayat were made and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. See from this line. For the second time in a few months, preparations were holding. In a few months, second time again the panchayat was going to be held. In the first time when it was held, when Jumman and his aunt case was there, and now second time when Algu and Sahu's case is there. For the second time in a few months, preparation for holding the panchayat were made, and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. Now both the parties were meeting people. They wanted support in their case. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, "The voice of Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision." Now Algu said that whatever Panch will say, that I would consider the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. Whose name Sahu will take, I will abide by his decision. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Sahu was very clever. He knew that Jumman wanted to take revenge from Algu, so he proposed Jumman's name. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. Now Algu was frightened and he turned pale because he knew that it is a good chance that Jumman can take his revenge. He can give his judgment in the favor of Sahu. But what could he do? But he could do nothing. There was nothing in his hands. The moment Jumman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. Now Jumman was a head Panch. Now he realized his responsibility as a judge. He realized that as a judge he should take fair decision or he should take his revenge. But he decided to take a fair decision. He realized the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? Jumman thinks that I am seated on a very high place. I am seated on the place of head Panch, and I should take my revenge now. He thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. And he decided that he will not allow his personal feelings in this matter. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. Means both Algu and Sahu spoke their cases in front of Panch. They were cross-examined. Cross-examined means they were cross-questioned. उनसे questions पूछे गए. And the case was considered. Then Jumman stood up and announced, "It's our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease." Now Jumman had taken a very good decision, very fair decision Jumman took, and he said, "It is our opinion, it is our decision that Sahu should pay Algu the price of bullock, because when Sahu bought the bullock, at that time the bullock was suffering with no disease. At that time bullock was completely okay. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it." Algu could not contain his feelings. Jumman took the decision in favor of Algu because Algu was fair at that time. Algu could not stop his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of Panch." Algu said, "Victory to the panchayat" means panchayat ki jai ho. This is justice and God always lives in the voice of Panch. Means Algu appreciated the Panch. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, Soon after Jumman came to Algu, Jumman had become his enemy. Now he came to Algu, embraced him means गले लगाया उन्होंने एक दूसरे को and said, "Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a Panch." Then he said that since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy, but today I realized that what is the meaning of Panch. On that day, you were Panch and you took a right decision. Today, I was Panch. Being a Panch, we cannot take a wrong decision. A Panch has no friend, no enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. He says that Panch always knows justice. We should not move away from the path of justice and truth for friendship and enmity. Algu embraced his friend and wept. His tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. Then Algu also embraced his friend. His tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding. Whatever misunderstanding was in between them, that was cleared now. So what is the message? Always walk on the path of justice and truth. We should always go with justice and truth, whether who is standing in front of us, our friend or enemy. We should not take care of this. Thank you.